Good morning, students. So today I am going to explain to you all about the animal kingdom. Now, not the part that is given in your book, but something little bit different. Okay. Now, in general, animal kingdom, it is divided into two divisions or into two broad divisions, and the two broad divisions are unicellular animals and multicellular animals. Okay, you already know about what are unicellular animals, what are multicellular animals. Now, what are unicellular animals? Unicellular animals are the animals which are made up of only one cell. So the animals which are made up of only one cell, they are known as unicellular animals. On the other hand, multicellular animals are those animals where you'll find their body is made up of many cells. So unicellular animals, their body is made up of only one cell, whereas multicellular animals are those animals where you'll find their body is made up of many cells. And the multicellular animals are known as what? Metazoans. So remember, what are multicellular animals known as? The multicellular animals are known as the metazoans. Okay? Now, what are the two important characteristics of animals? You know the differences between plants and animals. You already know. Now, the two main features of animals are, the first one is mobility and the second one is presence of a nervous system. So remember, the two important features of animals are mobility and presence of a nervous system. Okay? Now, mobility. What is the meaning of mobility? Moving from one place to another is called mobility. Okay? So animals, they move from one place to another. So this is a very important feature of animals. Now, secondly, presence of nervous system. Okay? So presence of nervous system. So this is also a very important feature of the animals. They have nervous system. They have nerves. They have nerve cells. And in higher animals especially, the brain is present. Okay, so this nervous system present in the animals make them aware what is present in their environment. Okay, so first is mobility. Mobility means what? The animals, they can move from one place to another. And secondly, presence of a nervous system. This means what? So they have a very important feature that they have nerves. They have nerve cells in the body. And these nervous system or this nervous system, it helps the animal to become aware what is going around in the environment. Okay? So these two are important features of animals. Okay. But there is an exception. There is an exception, and this exception, it is seen in case of the porifera animals. Okay? Now already you have studied about the porifera animals in your school. You have studied in your school about the porifera animals. Now, the porifera animals, they are fixed. They cannot move from one place to another place. So remember, porifera, though they are animals, but these animals, They cannot move from one place to another place. They are always fixed to an object. They cannot move from one place to another place, and moreover, they do not have nervous system. So porifera animals, they do not undergo mobility and they do not have the nervous system. Okay. Now let me say little bit in Assamese. Animal kingdomৰ দুটা ভাগ আছে আৰু এই দুটা ভাগ কি unicellular animals আৰু multicellular animals. Unicellular animals are those animals